Okay, I know this looks a little ghetto, but I'm trying to make some gallery department inspired pants. You know, these are some pants I got from Roses. They're carpenter pants, hence why they got this little thing right here. So I'm gonna freak them and put some spray paint on them. Definitely about to give gallery department vibes. So stay tuned for this DIY. So I have the pants. I put something down on the floor. When I'm spraying, I honestly don't know where I'm going with the spray painting colors. I was thinking like doing the ass crack and then like the inseams of the legs. But then I was also thinking of just spraying like the back side of the butt all the way down to the legs, and then the front doing the same. So I'm kind of nervous because I don't know which direction I want to go to. I know gallery department, their carpenter pants are more like splats, and little subtle things. But the thing I want to go for is something unique, something different. You know, my twist and turn. Back in the day, my mom used to make these kind of pants, like do that to our pants. So I had some pants that had like this spray paint on them before. I'll show you what I'm using. So I got these from Walmart. I got the glitter blast. I got it in silver. I was gonna do gold, but I feel as if the pants are already on like a tan color, so I didn't want it to clash. And then I got the sealer blast, the clear sealer blast, just to seal the glitter in place. So we're gonna see how this goes, and I'll tell you the prices on these when I look back at it. So, or I might spray the ankles, not the ankles, the bottom of the feet, and then spray the bottom and the top and the waistline, something. We're gonna see what it turns out to be. Okay. It's glittery. For real. I think
I'm gonna just go all the way down based on how it's spraying out. So yeah.
And I'm making 30. Virgo, I'm flirty. Don't play, leave you hurting. So precise like a surgeon. Going hard, been working. You know I'm on it. And you know I want it.
for 20 minutes.
You know that I flaunt it.
And then,
Don't
you
see
know,
no
of course,
opponent.
seal it, and then,
Out the way
you know,
I'm
you can
earning.
use it, like,
Staying
actually
patient,
use
I'm
it after
learning.
24 hours after
Keep my
it's
trust
been,
in myself.
cured.
Nobody
So
deserving.
far,
Maintaining no burdens.
look.
Running demons, I'm
I might go
splurging.
back in this
All my
side
winnings
a little
concurrent.
heavier.
Proud to say that I earned it. Got the way to glory. Shoot like I'm Kobe. Going hard to
And the
eat.
reason why I did it like that in the middle is because
At the
I
top
wanted
can
it
compete.
thick. So to contour the body, I kept
Rockin'
everything
D on that cheek.
in the center.
Counting comments
So
on
like
my
my hips are bust out the sides.
Practice what I preach. Taking flights
I'm
in
gonna
the
let this
trees.
dry.
Run the town, I'm the queen. I know y'all be seeing us. Put you in pieces.
I might split the sides of the legs, either on the sides or in the middle.
It burst
So
into
we'll see.
pieces.
And I'll probably just
Blessings I
stress it
reaped it.
all throughout.
Been rocking some flea shit. So much money I needed. Been moving on fiend shit. Committed, won't leave it. He like how I flex. We're lucky and blessed.
I want bought more pants. Ver, shut up. Papa, go away, bro. So we're gonna freak these pants today. These are men's.
Don't be weak in the knees. Stand up! Stand up!
Okay, so it's 9:40. I'm here eating some oatmeal. Just been cleaning and getting my life. Today's Wednesday, March 9th. And I'm about to get in the shower and do my makeup. I have a modeling gig shoot to do, so we'll see how that goes. You know, I'm about to see few shoes I'm gonna bring with me. I'm gonna comb my hair. My wig's drying right now. All I'm gonna do is take a shower. You know, lotion, moisturize, whatever it is, maybe. And then, yeah, just get my life. And I'll check back in with you guys when I'm dressed, makeup done, together. And I'll check in while you guys. And I'm eating a mixed peaches and cream and banana and cream oatmeal, so that's what I'm eating right now. No, go ghetto, but you know when I step, I'm getting saucy ass when I'm done.
Alright, stand back to the
Here, my makeup is done, of course. So when you see me, I didn't have none of this on. So I'm here, we're taking pictures in outfits. I don't know why I'm turning the camera this way. We're gonna speed up this clip because music in the background and I don't want to get copyrighted. But we're in my city. This is a local business here. It's Matt Boutique. Yeah? Yeah. See? I was on it. Yeah. Okay, so this is the owner.
Matthew. Follow me IG, Matt Boutique.
Okay, and I'll put that right here, that at right here when you're looking, right here where my finger is. Alright? So look for that. I'm gonna finish shooting these outfits. This is my second look of the day. High quality pieces. So if you're in the Fayetteville, North Carolina area, make sure you come to Yadkin Road and get right. Yeah. Alright. I'm in another outfit. I'm still here. We're still here. We're still locked in trying on fit. You guys will see all these outfits I took pictures in on my Instagram, and you'll see it wherever else he decides to post, you know, this content on his website, wherever. But yeah. Come on now. It's all real. It's all there. It is all there. Let's talk about it. I just wrapped up my shoot. It's now 5 o'clock. I've been here since 12. I've been working. I've been putting in work. We've been shooting all day. It was definitely a success. I can't wait to show you guys and share my discount code with you guys so we can all be baddies, you know, especially because y'all know I'm always coming to y'all with the fire pieces, you know, the fire ass clothes. So your girl's gonna keep doing what she's doing and keep being great, and I'll see you guys in the next.
My trust in myself, nobody deserving, maintaining no burdens, running demons, I'm splurging, all my winnings concurrent, proud to say that I earned it, got the way to glory, shoot like I'm Kobe, going hard to eat, plenty money in the streets, at the top can't compete, get messy in my cleats, rockin' Dior, not cheap. Counting commas in my sleep. Practice what I preach. Taking flights and retreats. Run the town, I'm the queen. I know y'all be seeing us. Put you in pieces. Leave you like streamers. Confetti ahead. It burst into pieces. These blessings I reaped it. Been rocking some flea shit. Too much money, I need it. Been moving on fiend shit. Committed, won't leave it. He like how I flex. We're lucky and blessed. I waited and now I'm up next. Got the
So you guys, this is me in the size small of the No Drama set. Make sure you're shopping.
No, you don't know me. Yeah, you know the old me. Got the way to glory.